This video is brought to you by Squarespace.
Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here, and I am with Kayla, my wonderful model. Today we are at Rattlesnake Lake. We are going to be doing a good old-fashioned behind the scenes for the full gallery of images, Kayla's Instagram, as well as the gear that we used in today's tutorial. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much to Squarespace for making this free photography video possible.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag-and-drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
That's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Okay, do that again with your hair, but you're gonna lean forward ever so slightly. When we're doing that with our hair naturally, we wanna lean back, but then you're not gonna get, it's not gonna be open enough. You're not gonna get all the detail. So when you lean forward, it opens up the face, then we get more of the jaw, versus leaning back, then it just all becomes, there's no definition. Now, one thing though, let's actually drop this front hand so that it's not just like elbow armpit. Instead of it being up like this, we're actually going to do, I think if you just dropped it to the side maybe, and then you're kind of like playing with your hair this way and like still pushing it back, but then it's almost like this hand is just kind of delicately adjusting it. Gorgeous. Yeah, pretty. Let's do one where, what if I have you, are you okay to get the dress? Like, what if you kind of like a little perch on this and then even maybe bring this knee up really high? Yeah. Okay, beautiful. This is really pretty. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, look at the nails. Beautiful. And then look up at me. And lift your face even higher to the sky. Gorgeous. Now look over your shoulder. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Lift your face a tiny bit higher to the sky. Yeah. I know it's super bright out. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Now with one of your hands, touch your face for me. Yeah, and lift your face even higher. Now it's gonna feel like I need to go to the chiropractor. Maybe, but it's okay. It'll be worth it. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, Kayla. Beautiful. And lift your face, tilt it backwards. Yeah, gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Okay,
you look so beautiful. But you can see how you keep having to bring your face up just because of the lighting.
And the jawline.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you're doing so amazing. These are so gorgeous. Bend this elbow ever so, yeah, there you go. Because then it's gonna create more shape. I'm gonna have you crumple it all up and hold it next to your face. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Lift your face ever so slightly to the sky. Yeah. Beautiful. if we did something like, where's the most stable ground? Maybe here. Actually, all this, oh, we have this and then we have this as well. Beautiful. Actually bring, yeah, stand like that. That's perfect. Bring your legs together a tiny bit. Yeah, beautiful. We have this big stump. What if we did you, I don't know if it's possible for you to like kneel. I don't know, I think that could be, because we haven't really done a ton of sitting ones. I included this in my gift guide. It's this amazing little fanny pack from Lululemon. Moment also makes one. It's just a lot larger and I do have it, but I find that when I have my camera bag, this is all I need for like lens cloth, sanitizer, and I carry an extra battery in it. But if you want one that can hold a lot more, I'll have the one on Moment linked down below. But I find that the Lulu one is the perfect size for these types of shoots. And then also there's a pocket in the back where I can fit my phone, so that then I'm able to actually get behind the scenes shots when we're out here working, whereas my camera is usually in my camera bag and I get home and I'm like, oh, we didn't do any behind the scenes. Still using the Sign Bloom 10% diffusion filter. Oh, actually, let's do a 3/4 here. This will be really pretty. So you'll turn towards the lake. Yes, beautiful. And then lift your face up even higher. I realize sometimes I'm like, before someone even poses, I'm like, yes, that's beautiful. It's just like the preconceived, I just know it's gonna be good. That's so gorgeous. All right, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed this good old-fashioned behind the scenes. If you want to see more, be sure to hit subscribe so that you're the first to know when new free tutorials for your business come out. Don't forget that you can join the free Build and Bloom Photography Facebook group. It's a kind, encouraging, and inclusive place to ask questions about your business, from client situations to gear and feedback on your images, your website. Follow along over on Instagram for daily tips, tools, and resources, and I will see you over in our next video, the Canon 5D Mark IV versus the Nikon D850. See you over in that video.